What if you could turn back the clock on your skin? No needles, no drastic changes, just a refreshed, natural look. Anti-aging in 2026 is all about subtle, believable enhancements, tweakments that keep you looking like yourself, only better. The era of frozen faces is fading. Now, authenticity and expressiveness are in. People want to smooth wrinkles and lift skin, but keep their unique character. The focus has shifted to non-invasive technologies that work with your body, not against it. These treatments stimulate natural collagen, improve texture, and even outtone. No downtime, no fear of looking done. They're perfect for those curious about anti-aging but hesitant about injectables. It's about looking rested, boosting confidence, and enhancing your natural beauty. This is the new promise of anti-aging, effective, gentle, and authentically you. High-intensity focused ultrasound, or HIFU, is revolutionizing non-surgical facelifts. HIFU uses focused sound waves to heat deep skin layers, triggering your body to produce new collagen and elastin. Over a few months, this process lifts and tightens skin naturally. No incisions, no downtime. Results are gradual and subtle. You'll look refreshed, not worked on. Common treatment areas include the jawline, neck, and brows. The effects can last a year or more, making HIFU ideal for those not ready for surgery. HIFU is a safe, effective way to restore youthful contours. No needles required. For smoother, firmer skin, radiofrequency RF is the go-to technology. RF gently heats the skin's deeper layers, stimulating collagen production for improved texture and resilience. Devices range from soothing wands to micro-needling RF, which targets deeper wrinkles and scars. RF softens fine lines, thickens thinning skin, and works on delicate areas like the neck and hands. Treatments are safe for all skin types, with minimal downtime, just a touch of pinkness that fades quickly. Results build over time, keeping your skin firm and radiant. RF is the perfect treatment for proactive, long-lasting skin health. Light-based treatments like IPL, BBL, and lasers target specific skin concerns with precision. These therapies erase sunspots, redness, and pigmentation, creating a clear, even complexion. IPL and BBL use pulses of light to break down unwanted pigment and blood vessels, while lasers can resurface skin or target stubborn spots. Results are dramatic, but some treatments require downtime and multiple sessions. A skilled practitioner will tailor the right device and settings for your skin type. Newer technologies are safer for a wider range of skin tones. When used correctly, light therapies can transform your skin's clarity and glow. The right light treatment is like a magic eraser for years of damage. The future of anti-aging is all about smart combinations and personalization. Practitioners now layer treatments: HIFU for lift, RF for texture, BBL for clarity, for comprehensive results. Artificial intelligence takes personalization further, analyzing your skin in detail and recommending a custom plan. This data-driven approach ensures every treatment is tailored to you. Always choose experienced clinics, ask for real patient results, and beware of miracle promises. Professional treatments work best with a solid home routine: vitamin C and sunscreen by day, gentle retinol by night. Consistency is key. Combine in-clinic procedures with daily care for lasting natural results. The goal: confidence in your own skin every day. Welcome to the new era of anti-aging. Effective, gentle, and truly you. Check the video description for my recommended essentials. No gimmicks, just what works. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for more budget-friendly beauty essentials.